was born in the hush of a galactic breath, in the cradle of silence between life and death. Burned so bright for eons long, but even stars can't stay strong. I watch planets spin like whispered dreams, too far to touch or hear their screams. A guardian flame, I warm their skies, but never saw them with my eyes. I am the last thought of a dying star, whispering light to a world too far. Before I break, before I fall, I give this fire, I give it all. No voice, no tears, no symphony, just one bright breath of legacy. The universe won't cry for me, but I go out in poetry.
My core grows heavy, iron deep. The gravity I can't keep. No orbit close enough to care. Just satellites that pass and stare. They named me once in ancient tongues, map my flicker in their lungs. But they don't know, I watch them grow, and now they'll see my final show.
I won't ask for a name or a stone. In stardust we are all alone. But from my death, life will rise in nebulae and newborn skies. I am the